everyone, it's Teresa back with another video on this Vintage Wednesday.
Let me show you something.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to Craving Crochet. Today is Vintage Wednesday and for March the 10th, 2021. I'll show you the progress of my beautiful stole, pocket stole, that I have been working on. I still have a long way to go, and I have been using this hook, which is a 3.5 millimeter hook, and this yarn, the True Boo, which is a rayon and made from bamboo, and it's gorgeous, but it does seem to split sometimes. So, and with the stitch that I'm doing, this lacy stitch, I have to take my time. I can't crochet this quickly, so I am slowly progressing with it. This is going to be a beautiful piece once it's done. But somebody told me in the crochet community that it's good to use the inline hooks, which I am using because it doesn't split the yarn as much. It pulls the yarn better, and so, but I still find that it is splitting a little bit. So maybe it's the nature of this stitch. Maybe once I get into doing the other part, once I'm done the lacy part of the pattern, maybe it'll be a little bit easier, but I really have to take my time, and I have a long way to go yet. I have to make this a shawl. So that's where I am right now with that. So I just wanted to show you that today. And I'm trying to be consistent with these Vintage Wednesdays because a lot of people just love them. So I love vintage crochet. Another thing I wanted to discuss today was this, the vintage dress that we did, the first project. So I had some questions on the sleeves. So I remember when I first started this pattern, I was like, it was hard to follow. So, but I managed to figure it out somehow by the grace of God. I always say that. But if you are trying this pattern and you find that you're struggling with this, the cap part, this part of the sleeve is pretty simple. The bell, it's pretty much just shell stitches. But this part, the way the pattern is written, the Juliette capped sleeve, I guess that's what you call it. Really gorgeous. And then it gets kind of like it's gathered. If anyone is interested, I can possibly just do a quick tutorial on how I made this part of the sleeve for this dress, if you're interested, because the pattern is a little confusing when it comes to this part of the pattern. And I also wanted to mention, I don't remember if I told you this in the beginning, but I made this a little bit, I made more rows here to cover this up because I don't want to, I'm trying to be a modest woman, so I don't want anything to hang out. And I used the smallest size because I found that everything kind of made more sense when I used the smaller size. So then when I did the bottom part, like when I finished that part, I found that it was way too short. So I added more rows to the bodice part of the dress. So I kind of customized it to fit me, and it fits me beautiful. But if you are interested in a tutorial on how I did the cap sleeve, the puffy shoulder part of the sleeve, beginning of the sleeve, if you're interested in a tutorial, I wouldn't mind doing that for you all so that you can complete this dress. I have a couple of posts on Facebook of people that have completed it. It is beautiful. And so I encourage you to go to Facebook, my Facebook group, if you haven't, Craving Crochet. I'll leave the link here below. And you can download the pattern. It's in the files section. This one here, the stole one as well. is in the files section, so you can download it and crochet along with me to make these gorgeous patterns. Isn't this beautiful? So let me know what you think. If you want a tutorial on that, I wouldn't mind doing that for you at all. And I will be back again soon, hopefully. And I hope you're all doing well. And thank you so much for watching. And we'll be back next Wednesday or maybe sooner. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Let me show you something.